Here's the question. 96 divided by 4 into, in the bracket, 4 into 3 bracket, floor plus. In the bracket, 80 minus 6, bracket close, divided by 2. Now let's solve it. According to the order of operations, we'll solve the brackets first. So, 96 divided by 4 into 3, that becomes 12, and 12 plus. 18 minus 6 divided by 2. Now let's solve further. 96 divided by 12. Plus 18 minus 6, that becomes 12. Divided by 2. Now let's solve further. 96 divided by 12 plus 12 divided by 2. First, we'll solve the division. So 96 divided by 12 plus 12 divided by 2. 96 divided by 12 is 8 times. 12 divided by 2 is 6 times. 8 plus 6 equals 14. This is the right answer.